Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another fun-filled episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones that promise big fun: the ATTOP Drone and the V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Get ready for a showdown that's going to be more thrilling than your last game of Angry Birds. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk cameras. On the left, we have the ATTOP Drone, flaunting a 1080p UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view. It's like the wide-angle lens of your dreams, perfect for capturing those scenic shots or spying on your neighbor's barbecue. On the right, the V4 also boasts a 1080p camera, but with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. So if you're into selfies from the sky or documenting your cat's rooftop escapades, this little guy's got you covered. Reviewers say the ATTOP's wider angle is a big plus for capturing more in the frame, while the V4's adjustable camera provides versatility for different shots. Both drones give you high-res images, but with the ATTOP's wider angle, you might just capture that UFO you've been waiting to see. Meanwhile, V4's adjustable camera makes it a little more versatile. So camera quality? It's a close call, but ATTOP's got the edge if you want more in the frame. Next up, battery life. The ATTOP Drone comes with three 1,100 mAh batteries, giving you a solid 30 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to get lost, found, and lost again. Meanwhile, the V4 packs two modular batteries for a total of 26 minutes. It's like the difference between binge-watching 2 episodes of your favorite show versus 3. Reviewers have noted that the ATTOP's battery life is decent, but could be better, while the V4's battery life is slightly shorter, but still sufficient for a fun flight session. So if you're planning a drone marathon, the ATTOP Drone's got your back. But hey, V4 isn't too shabby either. Just make sure you bring it down before the pizza delivery guy shows up. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. The ATTOP Drone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You can draw a route on the app, use voice control, or throw up AV sign for selfies. Plus, it's VR compatible, so you can feel like you're flying without leaving your couch. On the other hand, the V4 also brings a ton of tricks to the table: 3D flips, gravity control, auto-follow, and even VR. It's like having a drone that moonlights as a circus performer. Reviewers highlight the ATTOP's extensive app functionalities and VR compatibility, while the V4 is praised for its 3D flips and gravity control. Both drones are packed with features that'll keep you entertained for hours, but ATTOP's got a slight edge in the wow department with its extra app functionalities. But if you're a flip fanatic, the V4 will keep you looping all day. Alright, let's talk about ease of use. The ATTOP Drone has one key return, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it beginner-friendly. Even your grandma could fly this thing without crashing it into her prized rose bushes. The V4 is no slouch either, with one key takeoff landing, 3 speed modes, and headless mode. It's like a drone with training wheels. Reviewers have mentioned that the ATTOP is easy to operate and recommended for beginners, while the V4 is also noted for its simplicity and suitability for kids. Both drones are easy to handle, but if you're a newbie, ATTOP might just be your new best friend. Last but not least, let's talk money. The ATTOP Drone is priced at $109. While the V4 comes in at a more wallet-friendly $89. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for your next avocado toast, V4 is your guy. Reviewers have mixed feelings about the value for money for both drones, with some mentioning that the ATTOP is worth the extra features and others appreciating the affordability of the 4DRC V4. So if you want a wider camera angle, longer flight time, and more app features, go for the ATTOP. But if you're on a budget and still want a ton of fun features, the 4DRC V4 won't disappoint. Overall, reviews for the ATTOP drone highlight its wide-angle camera, decent battery life, and rich features, but mention some issues with durability and customer service. The 4DRC V4 is praised for its ease of use, fun features, and affordability, though some reviewers note its limited range and occasional malfunctions. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic comparison. Fly high and buy smart, and let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description below.